Everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com. It is the day before the end of the world, December 20th, 2012, but I'm going to do a video anyway, using some time-honored techniques to understand these modern markets. Before we look at the S&P chart, I just need to remind you, as always, that the website and the video are for educational purposes only, and nothing stated at the site or in the video is intended to be used as investment advice. I can draw lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own research, and you need to make investment decisions that are suitable for your personal financial situation. I am not a licensed financial professional, just a guy that draws lines on charts. And since between yesterday and today I've got no new subscribers, I'm going to assume that you looked at yesterday's video fairly closely, because really nothing a whole bunch has changed. We came down and we broke this green line yesterday. We may be heading back for a back test of this, or we may also be forming a little bear flag somewhere about like that. You know, these things are not always easy to figure out when they're happening, because you feel like, wow, we really bounced hard here, and now we're heading up. The question is, how far up? Because we've got this almost a little bit more than a day of trading that took place right up around this high 1440s range, and that may create some selling pressure if the S&P gets back into that area. So if that happens, we could see this little flag break down, and if it does, then I would expect that move back down to the mid 1420s. But you know, I don't want to be too dogmatic about that, to be honest with you, because we are once again over what looks to be a pretty good, pretty well drawn neckline here, over a couple of fairly significant tops, and all of which make this look like an inverted head and shoulders, but with a truncated right shoulder. So we're up above that line again. So I think that we have to take that as a sign of strength. But at the same time, going into tomorrow, and I'm going to wrap this up real quickly here. Going into tomorrow, I would look at this little trading pattern that developed today, and I would watch this to see if it breaks. And if it breaks, then I would look for a move back under this neckline, and I'm hoping to return down to this lower support line where going long might be a good idea. So that's basically it for today. Take what I said today and filter it and factor it into yesterday's video. You know, the last couple of times we've had some downtrends in the S&P, it has lasted more than one day. Back in early December, we had a good solid, well, let's look at it a 15-minute chart. We had a good solid 2-day sell-off. Then we had a 3-day sell-off. Something just doesn't look quite right about this being over with where we sit right here. So let's see if this plays out to be a bear flag, and if it does, then don't be surprised to see the markets get back into the mid to mid-high 1420s. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Keep it, keeping it a little short because I got to roll out of here in about 15 minutes. So thanks for watching. Take care.